For this Arduino project, these are the materials to be used. 5 jumper cables male to male. This material connect the sensor and buzzer to the circuit. 1 buzzer. This material makes sound when the set temperature is reached. 1 temperature sensor. This material detects and measures the heat level.
Float scene val in tone val. Float scene val declares a floating point variable to store the sign value. Int tone val declares an integer variable to store the computed frequency that will be sent to the buzzer or speaker. Void setup pin mode 8 output. Configures digital pin 8 as an output. Void loop for int x equals 0, x 180 x plus plus. This loop runs from 0 to 179 degrees. X represents an angle in degrees. Scene val equals scene x times 300 Ti divide 180. Tone val 2000 plus int scene val times 1000. Tone 8 tone val delay 2. For x equals 0, x is less than 180, x plus plus goes from 0 degrees to 179. It converts degrees to radians and compute the sign. Base tone equals 2000 Hz added up to 1000 Hz depending on sign. Produces a sweeping frequency between about 2000 and 3000 Hz. If millis minus step timer is greater than or equal to 5000, step timer millis, serial print temperature, serial print data, serial print degrees. Millis return the number of milliseconds since the board powered up. Millis minus step timer greater than or equal to 5000 checks if 5 seconds have passed. If yes, update step timer to the current time and print the temperature over serial. Serial print data 1 prints the value with 1 decimal place. Serial print degrees prints degrees and moves to the next line.